Why does your scanner show the P0988 engine code? What does it mean? P0988 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure, sensor or switch E, circuit range, or performance. The P0988 engine code for indicate. The PCM or TCM uses hydraulic fluid pressure to shift gears smoothly. The pressure sensor or switch E monitors this hydraulic pressure and sends electrical data back to the computer. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty sensor, corroded connectors, faulty TCM or PCM, low fluid pressure, pack failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Mitsubishi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.